So I'm going to this place tonight called Foundry 8. I was there a couple months ago to go look at the space for an event, to host an event there, and they actually invited me to come tonight to do a cake making, like a fondant cake making thing for Valentine's Day, and I'm so excited. I'm going to try to show you the whole process. I might do it in time lapse, I'm not sure, but it's gonna be really good, and I'm gonna try to get more video of the kitchen because it's absolutely amazing. They shoot a lot of magazine commercials and like editorials there, and some TV stuff because it's like a test kitchen, but then also like for photo shoots and stuff, so it's really, really nice. Taking 2 trips to carry stuff upstairs, so I'm going to attempt to carry this cake plus 2 bags from Whole Foods in all at once. Do you think I'll make it? There's the cake. The box isn't closed because I can't close it, so I wanted to say really quick, that class was so much fun. I've never used fondant before. I've just like made regular cakes. I was kind of like a little intimidated by fondant always because you have to work with it kind of quickly, but it's so much fun. The place, Foundry 8, is in Morristown, New Jersey, and they do these classes. I'll try to find a link to the next one. I know they do them kind of often. They do a lot of other classes too. So if it's something like you would be interested in, I can send you guys a link or whatever. But it was so much fun to try to do this, and it was only like a 2-hour class. So I'm so grateful that they asked me to be there, and I got to try this out.